Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is ZAKYA, not AULIA. You can call me ZAKYA. My student ID number is 19052152. I am student at Bina Sarana Informatika University, majoring in Information System, Faculty of Engineering and Informatics. In this video, I will explain more about computer, hardware, and of course, I will explain it briefly and easily. Okay, let's watch the video. Let's go! Okay, the first all I will explain about computer. I will explain about computer. The origin of the word computer. The term computer was first recorded in 1613. It's originally referred to a human being person perform arithmetic calculation or computation. This meaning persisted until the mid-20th century, when it shifted to electronic device. What is the computer? A computer is a general-purpose device that can be programmed to carry out a finite set of arithmetic or logical operations. Since a sequence of operations can be readily changed, the computer can solve more than the kind of problem. Main function Main function of computer work by receiving input data, processing it, producing output, and storing it. First, data input is received input from device such as keyboard. And the second, data processing is processing data using a CPU. The third, information output. Information output is producing information on a monitor, screen, or printout. The fourth, data storage. The storage is storing information permanently or temporarily. Okay, next. Main component of a computer system. The first, hardware. Hardware, the physical computer that can be seen and touched. The second is software. Software is program or command that run hardware. Number three is user or brainware. Is human who operate and control computer. The example hardware is input device, processing device, output device, and then store device. And then software, the example application. The example Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, and lain-lain. Okay, next. Basic of computer operation. Basic of computer operation is operating system. Operating system is basic interface. The example Windows. And the second, web browser is a tool for accessing the internet. The example Chrome, or browser, or grammar. And the three, storage. Storage is a place to store files, either on internal hard disk or in the cloud. Okay. Types of computer. Types of computer is two. The first is mini and mini-frame computer. It's very powerful, used by large organizations such as banks to control the entire business operation. This is very expensive. And the second, and two, personal computer, cheap and easy to use. And then often used standalone computer or in a network. Maybe connect to large mainframe computer with big components. Okay, the second, I will explain about computer hardware. Computer is the part of the computer that can be seen and touched directly. Hardware function to help the computer work and carry out commands from the user. Example is monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Yes. What type computer hardware? Computer hardware is divided into several types, namely 1. Input device, and 2. Output device, and 3. Processing device, and 4. Storage device. What is input device? Input device is a device used to enter data or command into a computer. The example, keyboard. Keyboard, the function for typing letters and numbers. Then 2. Mouse. Mouse, the function to move the pointer. And then scanner, the function to scan image or document. And then the last, microphone, the function to input voice. What is output device? Output device are devices used to display the result of computer process. The example, monitor, the function display image, and the 2. Printer, the function print document. And then speaker, function make sound, and the last, projector, function to display the screen display. What is processing device? Processing device are devices used to process data entered into a computer. The example, CPU, or central processing unit. And then processor, motherboard. The CPU is also called the brain of the computer because it regulates all the computer work process. And then storage device. What is storage device? Storage device is a device used to store data and information. The example, hard disk, flash disk, CD or DVD, RAM or memory. Data can be stored and reserved when needed. Okay, kita next. Function computer hardware. What is function hardware? Computer hardware has several functions, namely entering data into the computer, processing data, display processing results, storing data and information. All the hardware works together to make the computer function properly. What is benefit computer hardware? Computer hardware provides many benefits, include helping with schoolwork, make human work easy, save various important data, help find information. Because computers are very helpful in everyday life. Okay, that's all the material I can share. I hope you all understand after watching this learning video. Thank you for watching and for your attention. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.